What is up, all you beautiful people? What's up, you guys? Today we are having Wingstop. They got some new flavors. So I got original hot. I got the lemon garlic, and then what is the other one I got? Korean barbecue, and then I think this one's original hot too. So I have boneless, bone in, I have some fries, I have some corn, a bunch of ranch, some carrots and celery, and then to drink I got a DP all day. Y'all already know. Hashtag DP all day. So let's dig in, you guys, because I am so hungry. I'm gonna put my hair back for this one because you already know it's about to get messy up in here. Wait, I don't have any napkins. Give me a second, you guys. Give me a second. I'm gonna need napkins for this, so I need napkins. Text Bubba real quick. So how are you guys all doing? We'll wait for him to bring those napkins and then we're gonna get started. Oh, you guys already know. I'm gonna go with, where's all my sauce? Down here all the way at the bottom. Ugh. Mmm. I got them extra crispy. Mmm. Drip for me. Mmm. Wingstop is fire, you guys. Thank you, love. If you guys don't have a Wingstop in your area, I feel sorry for you. Because they're fire. You know what are you playing with? You got ranch on me. You guys, this past month has been absolutely crazy for me. I love the seasonings that they put on their fries. It's sweet, salty, barbecuey. It's so good. The spicy Korean, fire. Anyways, I thought I almost lost you guys on some serious stuff, you guys. I thought, Crystal, you done fucked up. But I think it was a rude awakening that I needed. So let me tell you guys. Ooh, a flat. Look at that. Can you guys see that? I have short little T-Rex arms. I'm sorry. It smells good. So about a month ago, no, longer. Mmm. Mmm. I feel like, no, I haven't had this one before. So a little longer than that. February, March, February. I get an email from YouTube. Well, not even YouTube. From Google Adsense saying that my payments are on hold and action is due in order to release payment. So I'm like, oh, okay, I need to redo my tax information. Anybody who does YouTube already knows that every year you have to update your tax info. So I was like, okay, that's what I have to do. And here, Luna, you want a piece of chicken? And so I did it. Everything was fine. They took my account off hold and I got my payout. So that was, I got paid out for March. So fast forward like April. I noticed that I didn't get an email. Usually we get emails and it says Google AdSense has sent payment from It was already like the 25th and I was like, I don't recall getting an email. So I'm looking through my email and sure enough, I never got an email from Google. And I'm like, what the heck? So I go on my Google AdSense and the same thing. It's telling you that my payment's on hold. And it says click action to take the steps to take it off hold. You guys, I'm going through all these steps. And it's like, verify your tax information, verify your account, enter your PIN, do everything. Nothing is working. If you're a YouTuber, then you know there ain't no way to get a hold of anybody through Google AdSense. All you can do is put in like help, what's going on, and those like pop up forums. So I'm getting so frustrated. Nothing's working. The hold isn't lifting. I thought, oh my gosh, this is it. Like, there's nothing I can do. What's going on? Then I get an email from Google AdSense. And it says, due to inactivity, we are deactivating your account. And I'm like, that can happen? I'm so sad. Like, I told Bubba, no, it said due to 6 months of inactivity, we are deactivating your account. I about had a heart attack. I couldn't understand. Okay, wait. So you go down further and I'm reading, and it says if you get a payout, they will reactivate the account. And I'm like, there's money in there. Like, why wouldn't they pay me out? You have to reach a threshold on YouTube. I was way over my threshold, and I'm like, I don't understand. Like, why are they doing this, you know? So, if you have so many subscribers, you can email, like, a support team through YouTube. I emailed the support team and nothing. I don't hear anything back. And I'm like, what the heck is going on? Like, I've gotten paid out. I seriously, even though I don't upload as much as I used to, people still watch my old videos and I get paid out through those. There hasn't been any months that I haven't got a check. So I couldn't understand why my account was being deactivated. So I looked up all these YouTube videos to see what can I do, you know? Is there something I'm missing? Because I'm obsessing over it, you guys. Like, day and night, like, reading forums, like, trying to figure out, you know, what to do. A lot of the forums are like, oh yeah, once you're deactivated, they cancel your account. Like, you have to fully close your account to get paid out. And if you don't have a Google AdSense, the YouTube partnership program cancels on you. Like, there's no way to get paid. So I'm looking up YouTube videos. Every YouTube video on the subject was in a different language. It was either from the Philippines or people from, like, India uploading these videos. So finally I'm frustrated. I'm like at the end of my search. Like, there's nothing else that I could do. Like, what am I gonna do? People are saying once you lose your account, there's usually no way to get it back. And I'm like, I really messed up. Like, I can't believe this. I was so sad, you guys. Finally, Bubba is like, let me look. He's looking for videos, he's looking up stuff, and he's like, dude, I can't find anything. I said, I told you. So I gave up. I was like, oh, here's a sweet chicken. Yeah. I was like, I'm done. Like, seriously, like, I didn't know that they could do that to you, you know? Like, and I've always told you guys, me doing these videos isn't about the money. That's not my concern. But mukbanging is expensive. The price of food is expensive. expensive just for yourself, but when you're ordering family size meals to mukbang, it gets pricey. You know what I mean? So I thought, like, what am I gonna do? What comes in from YouTube is what helps pay for this and keep it going. You know what I mean? And I thought, dude, like, on top of everything and the way the economy is right now and inflation, like, that's gonna be such a big budget out of my pocket that I can't get back. So I was sad, you guys. I was sad for a good week. I was just like, I couldn't believe it. I thought, I'm gonna have to start over, and I'm not even consistent now. Like, it's just over. Then, after 1 week, stressing, crying, getting frustrated, just thinking I lost it all. I get an email from Google Adsense, and it says, check your recent payment. I was like, oh my gosh! I got it back, babe. He's like, see, I told you, why are you always stressing? And the whole time he's like, don't stress about it. Everything will be okay. He goes, it has to be a mistake. And I'm like, no, it's because I don't upload anymore. And they gave it back to me. I still don't, I don't know what happened, what I did. Like, it's crazy. So from here on out, I'm not taking this platform for granted anymore. I'm not taking my beautiful people who have supported me. I'm not taking you guys for granted anymore. Like, I'm done, you guys. I know I've said this before. I cannot chance you guys being taken away from me. Not again. That was like the most hurtful thing for me. And I have you guys back, so I'm not jeopardizing that. I can't. So, here we are. Seriously, that was like the most hurtful thing that's happened to me in a long time. There's some other hurtful shit going on in my life right now. We're not going to speak on that. Not right now. Don't worry, it has nothing to do with my family or friends or anything. Just something going on in our lives right now that we're dealing with, and you guys will know soon enough. I'll give a whole story rundown. Like, it's crazy how your life can change so fast. But we're not getting into that. I really wanted to come on here and let you guys know. Ooh, and my shirt. Wanted to let you guys know, like, what's been going on. Man, that was so scary for me. I was like, no, what did you do, Crystal? Like, really? You know what, though? I need to stay on top of it. Just in case anything happens again, I could be like, alright, I know what I need to do. You know what I mean? I mean, I still don't know what to do, or what I did, or what happened, but I got it back and it's good right now. That's all that matters. So I just gotta keep it like this. I think Wingstop has to have like some of the best fries. My brother-in-law does DoorDash, and the other night they messed up the order, so he brought home Wingstop. My nails were tinted orange, so I took them off. I filed them and everything. I could not get the tint out of them. Even like my thumb and everything is still a little orange. They were so saucy. Come today, I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna do Wingstop. Like, it was, seriously, that order was like, however they ordered it was the best order ever. The wings were just so good. I think they like got them triple fried, extra sauce, something. I got mine double fried, but I didn't ask for extra sauce. But those were the best, and I was like, you know what? While my nails are off, anyway, I'm gonna do Wingstop so I can get it out of the way and then do my nails tomorrow. Yeah, there's no sauce on these things. I'm like, what a waste. So good. I never thought to get them double fried. So good. All right, you guys, I am done here. I am full. This was delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. All my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for taking a chance on me. All my ride or dies, you guys already know I see you. And yeah, I love you all, and I will see you in my next mukbang. Peace.